Finally, I bought my first riding boots. It's Tia Tiger 3, as you know. So, for my safety, I bought it Tiger T3. Let's do unboxing as I already did. Oh, it's heavy and it's very hard also. So like this, like this, like this, like this. It's very heavy. It's very heavy. How I'm gonna feel the brake? Now let's wear riding jacket for safety. So that's the final look. My riding pants is also coming. I have ordered already, maybe today or tomorrow. So this is my bike. Let's uncover it. So now the intro come. Hello, welcome to Arusasya Unscripted, and this is episode 2 of daily observation series, and also the checking of this newly bought Tiger T3 boot. Let's see how it feels. Like, as this is my first boot, so I don't know how it feels. I don't know. Okay. So stand down. It feels very okay. Okay. The boot feels, let's see. Even braking, when I press the brake, it doesn't feel like I'm pressing the braking. Okay. So changing gear is also very difficult for the first time. See, I'm trying to change gear. Finally. So let's see. So thank God I'm trying now. Otherwise, if I take it directly on my solo ride, it could be a very difficult ride. So it's good that I'm trying now. Okay, even the braking, I don't feel like I'm pressing the brake. So sitting down, there is no problem. So it feels very difficult on brake and changing gears. Now the highway comes. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. My footage is coming very bluish. Maybe I have to change the white balance. Okay, now it's good. I turn it into auto mode. So it's very difficult to use this boot for the first time, but I think slowly it will become used to like like this bike. When I bought this bike new, I used to struggle. So everything everything is difficult at the beginning, but once you are keep on using, then it feels you are get used to. Okay, so there is student over there waiting for their bus. And yes, I have 7 days solo bike ride trip to explore Mustang, Upper Mustang, and there on Korla border, as well as four lakes nearby, and also the caves. When I had a scooty, I had a very bad experience. I had a very bad accident over here. I almost saved. What I'm saying, I saved because I just jumped from the scooty. I will show you my scooty condition over here after the accident. But thank God, I was safe that time. So this is called Kalo Pool. This is Kalo Pool, and there is a yellow pool and there is a white pool. So there is no why to make complicated things. Just color the bridge and name the bridge on the color. Simple formula. So I don't know where I am going. I'm just riding this bike wherever it takes to me. I have 1 hour to return. So maybe I will just do one round. So yeah, and the weather here in Kathmandu is also slowly becoming cold. Maybe that's why, because of change in weather, I have been suffered from cold and cough since last 10 days. Maybe today I have to go to hospital for checkup. So here we are in Putali Sadak, as I told you in my previous blog. Putali Sadak means butterfly road if we translate it into English. That's because it's morning, everything is closed right now. After 8 or 9, it slowly started to open. See, who said that some days before, like today is 24 maybe, so it's like 24 minus 8, so it's 16. Like, who told that 16 days before there is a massive protest over here? No one. I will show you the Kathmandu Fun Park, KFP. So this is a fun park. This is a fun park. I went inside once, I think, in same that 2016-17 era. This is Nepal Police Club, the Blue Pavilion. I don't know what they do inside. This is swimming pool as well. I'm in 4th gear right now. Let's just go to hard. So if we go to like this, we will reach Singha Darbar. But for now, I have to go here. So see, there is a lot of people. I got puja of this bike here also. So many bike. A lot of people who ever buy the new bike, they will bring there. They will bring there to get puja of their newly bought bike. Worship the white tower. Actually, it should be Dharara, but they didn't. What you call? They didn't rebuild the broken Dharara. They just built it separately. The broken Dharara is over there. Just stay like that. So it's not carry the legacy of Dharara. That's why we call it Seto Tahu. This is Kathmandu Mall, the oldest mall. And there is a garden, I don't know the name. I just forget it. This is like what you call. And this is Nepal Airlines Corporation. Once I applied for the cabin crew in Nepal Airlines, but I got rejected. So this is the new road. The new road gate, and straight you will see the new road. So in the evening time it will be a lot of crowd here. This is the shopping place for all the festival, whether it's Dasai, Tihar, because here you can find it everything, like from mobile to clothes to jewelry to accessories, everything you will find it in this area. This is called New Road. So here we cannot go directly to the Basantapur, and this is called Basantapur. We can go like this. So this is see, without any wire, clean look. So you can see it's all white, so it looks good. Here it's too much busy because there are so many people selling their things in the road, but it's until 8 o'clock also. After 8 they have to remove everything. It feels very heavy by the way. Okay, so since morning they already start doing shopping. So this is Kathmandu Mahanagarpalika bus for collecting garbage. This is the Basantapur. This is Basantapur area. From here also we cannot go by two-wheeler. See, this is called Sano Pasupati. And this is the army barrack over here. See, this is how we can enter. So here it's everything. Here the Ganesh Mandir over here. So yeah, this is called like what you call. This is the gully. Oh. I don't know the exact place of this name, but this is gully like Tangal, Nardevi Tangal. This is Chhatrapati Chowk. यता हेरेर त चलाउनुहोस् डे मात्रै हेरेर हुन्छ. So I think this is Sora Footage Chowk. I will show you the Naran Hiti Darbar Square where our now I will show you the Naran Hiti Darbar where the king of Nepal used to live. So this is the Malla Hotel and there is a casino over here. Once I get inside this casino, I think so, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, from this traffic signal, if you go like this, you will reach the Thamel area. This is passport office. If there is any emergency, you want to make it quick, you can come here directly to make the passport. So this is Thamel area road and this is Naran Hiti Darbar road. And this is all Darbar Marga and this is the Naran Hiti Darbar, as you can see. So this is the Naxal hub of showroom. If you want to buy bike, car, two-wheeler or four-wheeler, just come to this area. You will get everything. What is this happening over here? Ultraviolet, MG, there is Royal Enfield, TVS, and also there is Triumph and KTM showroom as well. And this is Yamaha, Deepal and Yamaha. See the Bhatpatini. See the condition of Bhatpatini right now. It's all burned. The bus over there is also fully burned. So here we get back to the Thamel area. It's a complete round trip. So I think that's all for today. See you in next episode. I think now directly in see you in Mustang. So for now, ride safe, stay safe, be happy, enjoy my vlog, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thank you. Tada.